Hey, welcome to Colorado. Finally made it to Rocky Mountain National Park. Look how beautiful this place is. It's like a winter wonderland here. We're parked on ice. I already pulled over once and we almost didn't get going again. Oh, there you go. Absolutely stunning. Did you have fun in the snow? Yeah. You're a snow dog now. I noticed you didn't get out of the car.
No.
Hopefully we can get going again. We're parked on a sheet of ice. Well, this is as far as we could go. The road's closed. But I can definitely feel the elevation too. I think we're around 8,000 or 9,000 feet here. There's Lisa walking around. You can hear the girls. I know, you guys want to get out and run around. Somebody's excited. The road's very icy too. Where people have driven and packed it down is ice. Yeah, the snow's like a catch-22. It's real pretty, but they closed the road, so we're not gonna be able to see the whole park. But just look at this place. And I think the snow adds to it. Absolutely stunning. Maybe he's going to start plowing. We're on our way back to Glacier Basin. And look at this view. Absolutely beautiful. Every curve and turn, it gets better. I know, they said you're not allowed out of the car in this park. What's the deal with that, huh? We might be lucking out here though. All the roads are melting. So since all the roads are melting, and you got the snow melting out of trees, we're hoping that they're gonna plow and open up the rest of the road so we can see it. This happened with the main road going through. Glacier's the same way. Glacier's got the going to the Sun Road. They closed that 2 miles of it. We drove around the park and came in the west entrance. It made for a lot of driving, but we were able to see most of the park. This place here, Rocky Mountain, can't do it. It's too far of a drive. So I'm hoping they open up the road. But you can see snow falling out of the trees. It's just melting everywhere. Since the road's closed in Rocky Mountain National Park, the Trail Ridge Road, we just called the number to find out what's going on with the road. Apparently it's been closed since last Friday, and this is Thursday. So now we're in the downtown area. And Lisa's doing some shopping, seeing what they have here. So we just got done with lunch. And the girls are very excited, stretched their legs. Found the only car wash, I think, in Estes. The car's really dirty. It's getting hard to see out the windows. So we're gonna get it washed up. The car's all clean now. When we first got in it today from towing it for a couple days, all the windows had grit in them, and every time you lowered the window down, it sounded like you were sanding the window. We'll see how long it stays clean. I say tomorrow morning it'll need to be washed again. We're looking for a place to go that'll let the dogs come in there with us, and we found a brewery called Rock Cut Brewing Company in Estes, and they have outside seating, so we're going to go ahead and leash them up and take them over there and probably try a flight. They got all kinds of food too, huh? Trying one of their IPAs. They had dog biscuits for the dogs. Nope. But look at the view. You got the mountains in the background.